Guys, welcome to the Credit Game. My name is Mike. I'm with you every single day because I'm 10x about your credit. I'm 10x about your life. I am 10x about giving you the information you need to change your credit future. I have a goal to change the national credit average from 667 to over 700. I'm gonna need your help to do that. Okay, if it's your first time on the channel, welcome aboard. I appreciate being here. It means the world to me that you guys subscribe, that you like the videos. That's why I bring it to you every day. All right, I spend the time to make these videos. I take the approach of being, look, I've been doing this 12 years now, right? And so credit's my passion. It's to be able to help you guys get a better credit score, so that way when the national the average moves up, right? Now we move up the national credit average. Guess what's going to happen? More people are going to get cars. More people are going to get homes. People are going to get better interest rates, higher credit limit cards. They're going to be able to live their life they want and not be confined to a bad credit score. Remember that a 781 credit score or higher is valued at over $100,000 in cash. My job is to get you there, okay? So pay attention, because I am going to share with you one secret today that has changed multiple. You're gonna say, why did I even share this secret with you? If you stay to the end, you're gonna be like, I can't even believe he even shared this. A lot of people might have known this already, but there's a lot of people on here that don't know exactly how to do it. And so I'm gonna walk you through the steps of how to do this. And really, this is just my way of giving back, okay? So here's the deal. In order to clean up your credit report the fastest, I'm gonna give you one tip. We had a member that just removed 21 derogatory accounts in under 2 weeks from his credit, okay? Electronic and fast. So here's the secret, okay? What you guys need to do is log into your Credit Karma. If you don't have a Credit Karma sign up, it takes 3 minutes to log in, okay? Once you log into Credit Karma, you are going to see two scores, okay? You're gonna see your TransUnion side and you're gonna see your Equifax side, okay? Click on TransUnion or Equifax. Pick one, click on it, okay? So once you click on it, then what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down and you'll see all the accounts. You'll see a box that has the 6 accounts right here, okay? And that's gonna have accounts, and it's gonna have inquiries, it's gonna have the mixture, it's gonna have the inquiries, and it's going to have the most important one we're looking at is called derogatory marks. Okay, I want you to click on derogatory marks. You're going to scroll all the way down after you click on derogatory marks, and then you will see the actual accounts. Now you may have one or you may have 21, but you're going to see all the accounts be like a little gray bar, okay, that are negative. I want you to select the first one, okay? These are the negative accounts. They're listed out for you. Some of them might be like here, like a hospital bill, okay? Some might be, charge-off accounts, collection accounts from different lenders, okay? But select on the first one. Once you select on the first one, here's what I want you to do. I want you to scroll all the way down, and you're gonna see where it says dispute and error. Click that button. Then you're gonna scroll all the way down again, and you're going to see 2 columns. Column A is going to say ownership. Column B is going to say accuracy. Okay, along these 2 columns here. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to check the boxes that are most relevant. Now, here's the secret. I want you to think about it this way. Ownership is basically saying this is not my account at all. Okay, it might have been reported an error. It was a fraudulent account opened in my name. Might have been a relative or family member. Okay, the right side, which is your accuracy side, is going to be like where you may see that when you're looking at your credit report, the credit limit is wrong. The address, I don't recognize this address. It might be a selection on there that says it's an old account. Okay, maybe the age is off. What I want you to do is I want you to select the one that's the most relevant on the side that says ownership. Okay? On the right side, I want you to select multiple. I recommend that you select the one that says credit limit off, age is off, address is off, those 3. Basically, what I want you to select on the accuracy side is saying that, look, the account is not accurate. Remember that you have the legal right to challenge anything that is inaccurate. First thing, inaccurate, obsolete, unfair, unduly, negative remark on your credit report. Think about this, guys. If you're challenging the accuracy of your account, okay? We had a member just remove 21 negative items, guys, in under 2 weeks. Because he knew when he looked at his credit report that the age was off. Okay? He looked at the credit report and the credit limit was different. It was reporting inaccurate. You see where I'm going with this, guys? That is the secret. Now, there is a chance that they will just update the information. Okay, where they might just come back and report the information as accurate. But a lot of times, especially what's going on in the world right now, they don't have time to go and update it, so it's easier to remove it. Okay, so now let's go back to the left side again. I would select, if this fits, wink wink, what you're looking for, I would select it was a fraudulent account. Now again, I don't know if it's a fraudulent account. This is for educational purposes only. I'm just sharing with you what my other client did. To take this information as educational purposes only and use it for that reason. Okay? I want you to select those three on the right side, and on the left side I want you to select the one I just shared with you, if it fits. Okay? Now the reason I say that is this. If you can remove 21 accounts in under 2 weeks, there is no faster service I can think about. Now, again, if you only have 3 collections, then obviously you can't remove 21. But how nice would it be if I just gave you the golden ticket to go cash in your lottery ticket? And this actually worked. Is it going to work for everybody? Probably not. Is it going to work for some? Absolutely. No harm, no foul. What does it take you to sign up for Credit Karma? 3 minutes to go through and do this? Everything's electronic. Okay? Now, you'll know results very fast. But here's the deal. My vendor has a proprietary software. It is the fastest credit repair on the planet. This secret I just shared with you is something that you can try. It's not the end-all be-all, but it certainly is something that I would like for you to do while you are getting your credit repair done by my vendor. So why is it cool? Because electronic, okay? Electronic through Credit Karma and electronic through my VIP vendor with software, which is much better than this information I just gave you. You can do it at the same time, and it's double impact. So I recommend getting inside the credit game so you can get the VIP vendor who does your credit repair for free for you. I pay for it, okay? Any of my programs, I'm paying for it today for you guys. And you are going to double impact. Here's the secret that I wanted to share with you guys. Remember that we are in a stage in human history right now that nobody ever will forget in the world, not just the United States. Remember the turmoil that we just went through and are still going through with this COVID. And remember this, there's skeleton crews everywhere. The secret is to bombard them with disputes. Better than letters, hands down. But inside my course, you get proprietary letters, not the cookie cutter letters, not the 609 letters, letters that actually worked, that I used for 8 years to create the #1 company in the world. You get that, you can send those out. You can impact by hitting the Credit Karma thing I just shared with you, and you get elite credit repair through my program for absolutely zero cost to you other than the cost of the membership to get in. And now, what are you doing? You are now bombarding them with multiple disputes on the same account. This is this is like, if you could think about literally having the best credit repair on the planet, hands down, this is what I would do. I would do this trick I just showed you. I would get the elite credit repair, and I would send out the letters with the proprietary letters that are inside my course. If you do all 3 of those, I guarantee you you will have phenomenal results. 100% guarantee you will have phenomenal results. This is what you need to do. 904-420-7772. The first 5 callers that watch this video, I'm going to give you a few things. I'm going to give you access to up to 75% off of Tradelines through my VIP vendor. I'm going to give you free elite credit repair with any of my programs as well. I'm going to give you the proprietary letters. I'm going to give you the step-by-step that you need so you never go backwards again and never have to pay a credit repair company ever again, because education is the key. And that's what I want you guys to know, is that it's not just how to get there, it's how to maintain it and never go backwards. 904-420-7772. The first 5 callers that call me right now will change their financial and credit future for the rest of their life. I promise you, you got my word on this. Take the step in the right direction and be one of the 5 callers to get this. As soon as you watch this video, you call me and I'll make sure that you get taken care of. That's my word. Mike from The Credit Game. I'll be waiting on your call. Take care.